Good evening, and welcome to your news blog, The World in Your Eyes, the easy way to find the information that you are looking for. Tonight, we will explain how electric vehicles affect the carbon footprint. The carbon footprint refers to the total amount of greenhouse gas emissions that enter the atmosphere as a result of human activities, such as the burning of fossil fuels, food production, product manufacturing, and other industrial processes. These greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide CO2, methane CH4, and nitrous oxide N20. The carbon footprint is measured in units of carbon dioxide equivalent CO2 to express the relative contribution of each gas to global warming. One of the human activities that generate a significant contribution to the increase in the carbon footprint comes from the circulation of internal combustion vehicles, planes, trains, automobiles, etc. The carbon footprint of gasoline, gas, or diesel vehicles refers to the amount of greenhouse gases, mainly carbon dioxide CO2, released into the atmosphere as a result of burning fuels for ignition and operation. In 2021, the number of internal combustion vehicles fueled by different petroleum derivatives in USA represented around 250 million units circulating on its different land routes, and sales for 2022 increased by 15%, which it represented more than 6 million new units, placing the total projection for 2023 at more than 280 million vehicles. The magnitude of this figure suggests that replacing them with cars with renewable energy sources will not be possible in the short time, perhaps decades. Electric vehicles generally have a much smaller carbon footprint compared to combustion engine vehicles, but the size of the reduction depends on factors such as the source of electricity and the life cycle. Reducing the carbon footprint resulting from the increasing use of electric vehicles will only be possible when the electrical energy they require for their operation comes from renewable energy sources. Electrical energy in the United States comes from 4 sources: fossil fuels, renewable energy, hydroelectric, and nuclear. The percentage of electricity generation grew from 22% in 2022 to 23% in 2023, and 25% is projected for 2024. Of the different types of renewable energy, the one that shows the greatest growth is wind energy because it's the one with the lowest cost. You can read the entire article on our blog, theworldinyoureyes.news. Find the link on video description below.